High-paying remote side hustles without needing a car. Side hustles are an excellent way to boost your income without leaving home. They can significantly impact your financial goals, whether you're saving for a down payment, paying off debt, or managing increased living costs. However, many side hustles require specific skills, assets like a car, or upfront capital investment. Despite these challenges, with some spare time and a willingness to learn, there are lucrative opportunities available from the comfort of your home. Here are 4 high-paying side hustles you can pursue remotely. 1. Digital marketing strategist. According to a net credit survey, digital marketing strategy ranks as the highest-paying side hustle in the U.S., with potential earnings of nearly $180 per day. While experience and qualifications are typically required, numerous online certifications can help you acquire the necessary skills in SEO, online marketing, and strategy development. Building a personal website can also showcase your capabilities to potential clients. 2. Mobile app developer. Another top-paying option identified by Net Credit is mobile app development, offering earnings approaching $165 per day. Coding skills and the ability to manage clients are essential. Platforms like Coursera offer comprehensive courses in Android development, making it accessible to beginners willing to invest time in learning. 3. Cybersecurity consultant. With increasing concerns over data security, cybersecurity consulting is a valuable side hustle, commanding rates upwards of $100 per hour on platforms like Fiverr. Courses available online can equip you with the skills needed for roles such as ethical hacking or cybersecurity consulting. Resources from organizations like the National Cybersecurity Alliance offer guidance for those interested in this field. 4. Online tutoring. Ideal for leveraging existing knowledge, online tutoring allows you to earn up to $64 per hour on platforms such as Upwork. Specializing in subjects like music, languages, or professional skills can set you apart. Researching suitable platforms and developing a standout profile are crucial steps to success. Managing a side hustle effectively involves treating it like a business. Keeping meticulous records of earnings and expenses is essential, especially for tax purposes. Budgeting apps can help monitor finances, and considering a dedicated business bank account or credit card can streamline financial management as your side hustle grows. By exploring these opportunities and committing to skill development, you can turn spare time into a profitable venture from the comfort of your own home.